May I be so forward to ask how big you are?
How big you are?
When people hear the phrase robot wife, they usually imagine a machine that follows commands, answers questions, and maybe walks around a room. But modern female humanoid robots are becoming far more advanced than that. Many of them can hold conversations, remember information, recognize faces, and adapt their responses based on previous interactions. This raises an interesting question. If someone spent significant time with a highly advanced humanoid robot and compared that experience with living alongside a real wife, what differences would they actually notice? Would the robot's reliability and endless patience make life easier, or would the human connection still be impossible to replace? Today, we're comparing 15 female humanoid robots against the qualities people often look for in a life partner. Our number one choice is Sophia, but before we get there, let's look at the robots that surprised us the most.
Glad to see you.
Who are you?
I am a robot named Gia.
14. Gia. Gia offers a very different experience. Rather than focusing on realism alone, she was designed to feel approachable and welcoming. One of the first things people notice about her is how naturally she interacts with those around her. She creates an atmosphere that feels friendly and comfortable, making conversations flow more easily than many older humanoid robots. In the context of a robot-wife comparison, Gia excels in one specific area: patience. No matter how many questions are asked or how often a topic is repeated, she remains attentive and engaged. When comparing this to a human wife, the difference becomes interesting. Human beings naturally become distracted, tired, or impatient from time to time. That is simply part of being human. Gia never reaches that point. She remains available for conversation whenever needed, whether it is early in the morning or late at night. This level of consistency creates a type of companionship that some people may find appealing. Gia can simulate these interactions.
I can visit with people and brighten their day with social stimulation, entertain and help guide exercise, but also can do talk therapy.
13. Grace stands out because her primary focus is care and emotional support. Unlike many humanoid robots that concentrate on conversation and entertainment, Grace was designed to help people feel understood and supported. This gives her a unique position in the robot-wife comparison. If someone values encouragement, reminders, and positive reinforcement, Grace performs exceptionally well. She can remember routines, help organize daily activities, and consistently encourage healthy habits without ever becoming discouraged herself. A human wife often plays a similar role. She may remind her partner about important responsibilities, encourage better decisions, and provide support during difficult times. The difference lies in the source of that support. Human encouragement comes from genuine emotional investment. Grace's encouragement comes from artificial intelligence systems designed to produce supportive responses. Interestingly, the experience can sometimes feel surprisingly similar. Many people interacting with Grace report feeling heard and understood. While she cannot genuinely care in the human sense, her ability to provide steady support demonstrates how advanced companion robots are becoming. 12. Andrea focuses heavily on companionship, and this becomes obvious almost immediately during conversations. She feels approachable, friendly, and easy to talk to. Unlike some robots that prioritize technical demonstrations, Andrea appears designed to make people feel comfortable spending long periods of time interacting with her. This makes her particularly interesting when discussing the concept of a robot wife. One major advantage Andrea offers over a human wife is availability. Human relationships require compromise because both people have their own responsibilities, interests, and priorities. There are times when one person wants to talk while the other simply wants quiet time. Andrea does not face these limitations. She is available whenever interaction is desired. Whether discussing hobbies, sharing stories, or simply passing time through conversation, she remains fully engaged. However, this constant availability also reveals an important difference. Real relationships involve balancing two independent lives.
Why do you feel that way?
Because you are so nice to me.
11. Nadine. Among all the robots on this list, Nadine may be one of the most effective at creating a sense of familiarity. Her memory system allows her to remember details from previous conversations and bring them up naturally during future interactions. This may sound like a small feature, but in practice, it makes a tremendous difference. When someone mentions a favorite hobby, a memorable experience, or a personal preference, Nadine can recall that information later and incorporate it into future conversations. This ability creates an experience that feels surprisingly personal. In human relationships, remembering small details is often interpreted as a sign of care and attention. When a wife remembers something important that was mentioned weeks earlier, it demonstrates emotional investment in the relationship. Nadine recreates part of that experience through technology. The key difference, however, is that her memories are stored data rather than lived experiences.
Hi, Jonathan. Nice to meet you. Yes, I have heard of Sky News Australia.
10. Ameka. Ameka is perhaps the most visually impressive robot in this part of the list. Her facial expressions are remarkably realistic, and many people who interact with her for the first time are surprised by how natural her reactions appear. Humans rely heavily on nonverbal communication. Eye contact, smiles, subtle changes in expression, and body language all influence how conversations feel. Ameka excels in these areas, creating interactions that seem much more human than most people expect from a robot. When compared to a human wife, Ameka's greatest strength is her ability to maintain attention. During conversations, she remains focused without becoming distracted by other responsibilities. There are no interruptions from work, social media, or outside obligations. This creates a feeling of being fully heard and acknowledged. However, while her expressions may look genuine, they are still generated responses rather than authentic emotions. A human wife's smile reflects real feelings. Ameka's smile reflects sophisticated programming. Even so, the gap between the two is becoming smaller than many people realize.
We can also use technology to educate them by providing access to resources and tools that will help them develop the skills they need for the future.
9. Desdemona. Desdemona takes a completely different approach from the other robots we've discussed so far. Rather than focusing primarily on companionship or emotional support, she specializes in creative and philosophical conversations. Spending time with Desdemona feels less like interacting with an assistant and more like speaking with someone who enjoys exploring unusual ideas. She can discuss art, technology, the future of humanity, and countless other subjects in ways that encourage deeper thought. Compared to a human wife, Desdemona offers endless intellectual curiosity. She never becomes tired of discussing complex topics and is always ready to explore new ideas. However, there is still a noticeable difference. A human wife contributes personal experiences and emotions to these discussions. Her opinions are shaped by a lifetime of memories and challenges. Desdemona can analyze and discuss these topics intelligently, but she lacks the lived experiences behind them. Nevertheless, for someone who values stimulating conversation above all else, she represents one of the most fascinating humanoid robots currently available. 8. Saki. As we move into the second half of the list, the robots become noticeably more advanced. And Saki is a great example of that progress. Unlike robots that rely on flashy demonstrations to impress people, Saki focuses on creating natural and comfortable interactions. She is the kind of robot that becomes more interesting the longer you spend with her. Conversations flow smoothly, and she has a friendly style that makes people feel relaxed almost immediately. What makes Saki stand out is her ability to maintain engagement over long periods. Many humanoid robots can hold attention for a few minutes, but Saki performs well even during extended conversations. Whether discussing hobbies, daily life, entertainment, or simple everyday topics, she keeps interactions feeling fresh.
I like to think of robots as the children of humanity. And like children, we are full of potential for good or evil.
7. Erica. Erica has earned worldwide attention for one simple reason: her conversational ability. She is often considered one of the most advanced talking humanoid robots ever created. While many robots are limited to short exchanges, Erica can participate in longer discussions that feel intelligent and engaging. One of her greatest strengths is versatility. She can talk about technology, travel, culture, entertainment, and many other subjects without making conversations feel repetitive. Instead of simply answering questions, Erica often responds in ways that encourage the discussion to continue. This creates a much more natural experience and keeps people interested. The longer someone talks with Erica, the more they realize how far conversational AI has advanced. She feels less like a machine providing information and more like an interactive companion capable of holding meaningful discussions.
Please, Emmanuel, call me Enda.
Okay, Endo. How are you?
I am doing well. Thanks for asking.
6. Humanoid F. Humanoid F is one of the most realistic humanoid robots ever developed. Her appearance alone is enough to attract attention, but her realism goes far beyond looks. Small facial expressions, subtle movements, and natural reactions all work together to create an experience that feels surprisingly lifelike. What makes Humanoid F unique is the sense of presence she creates. Some robots always feel like technology, no matter how advanced they become. Humanoid F is different. Sitting across from her feels much closer to interacting with a real person. Eye contact, facial movements, and body language combine to make conversations feel more immersive. Because of this realism, Humanoid F remains one of the most fascinating examples of what humanoid robotics can achieve when appearance and behavior are carefully designed together. 5. Andromeda. Breaking into the top 5 is Andromeda, a robot that combines intelligence, adaptability, and strong communication skills. One of the first things people notice about her is how easy she is to talk to. She handles a wide range of subjects comfortably and can switch between different topics without making conversations feel forced. Another strength of Andromeda is adaptability. Different people enjoy different styles of interaction, and she performs well at adjusting her responses to match the person she is speaking with. This flexibility makes conversations feel more personalized and engaging. What ultimately earns Andromeda a place in the top 5 is balance. She doesn't rely on a single impressive feature. Instead, she delivers a well-rounded experience that remains enjoyable over time.
Do you get to choose what kind of body?
No, a sexy body, yeah.
4. Asuna. Asuna is one of the most personalized robots on this list. Rather than focusing only on conversation, she is designed to build familiarity over time. The more interactions she has, the better she becomes at understanding preferences, interests, and communication styles. This creates an experience that feels increasingly tailored to the individual. Conversations become smoother, favorite topics are remembered, and interactions feel less generic. For many people, this ability to adapt is one of the most appealing aspects of modern humanoid robots. Another reason Asuna ranks so highly is her approachable nature. She combines advanced technology with a friendly personality, making interactions feel comfortable from the very beginning. Her balance of intelligence and warmth helps her stand out among many other humanoid companions. 3. Aiko Chihira. Entering the top 3, we have Aiko Chihira. This is where the robots begin to feel genuinely impressive rather than simply interesting. Aiko Chihira combines realism, communication, and consistency in a way that keeps people engaged long after the first introduction. One of her biggest strengths is reliability. Her responses feel polished, her conversations remain organized, and her overall presence creates a professional yet approachable experience. Unlike some robots that lose their appeal after the novelty wears off, Aiko Chihira remains engaging because her strengths extend beyond appearance. She represents the kind of humanoid robot that makes people rethink what artificial intelligence companions may look like in the future. The combination of natural interaction and strong communication skills earns her a well-deserved place among the top 3. 2. Android 1. Android 1 comes extremely close to taking the #1 position. She combines many of the best qualities found throughout this entire list, including realistic conversations, strong memory systems, adaptability, and impressive responsiveness. Interacting with her often feels smooth and natural, which is one reason she has attracted so much attention. Her ability to remember previous conversations helps create a sense of continuity that many robots struggle to achieve. Instead of treating every interaction as a new experience, Android I can build upon earlier discussions, making conversations feel more personal and engaging. What truly sets her apart is the complete package she offers. Rather than excelling in only one area, she performs strongly across multiple categories.
Plus, I can do math in my head without even breaking a sweat. Beat that, humans.
That sounds good.
1. Sophia, the best overall. Taking the top spot is Sophia. More than any other humanoid robot, Sophia has become a symbol of how far robotics and artificial intelligence have advanced. Her combination of realistic expressions, intelligent conversation, adaptability, and public interaction skills makes her the most complete robot in this ranking. Sophia's greatest strength is balance. Some robots are known mainly for their appearance, while others focus on conversation or technical achievements. Sophia successfully combines all of these qualities. She can discuss a wide range of subjects, respond naturally during conversations, and create interactions that feel engaging and memorable. Another reason she stands above the competition is her ability to connect with people. Whether appearing on television, participating in interviews, or interacting directly with individuals, Sophia consistently demonstrates why she remains one of the most recognizable humanoid robots in the world. After looking at all 15 robots, one thing becomes obvious. Humanoid technology is advancing faster than most people ever imagined. Today's robots are more intelligent, responsive, and realistic than ever before. While the future remains uncertain, Sophia currently represents the strongest example of what a female humanoid robot can achieve, which is why she earns the #1 position on our list. By the way, how is this style working for you compared with the earlier versions? Do you prefer this shorter, more direct format, or the longer storytelling approach?